Hey everybody, it's Ray Wong, and you've probably read my review on inverse.com about the Google Pixel Fold. And if you've seen the review, you'll see that there's a video in there about the Hinge, which on my review unit was making a clicking sound. So let me try that again. Do you hear that? There it is. It's kind of loud. And so Google was kind enough to send a second unit. That's this one right here. And it is sealed. You can see that they haven't tampered with it. And so I want to unbox this and see if the issue is there on the secondary unit, because if it is on the replacement, then this could be an issue with retail units. So here it is, brand new Google Pixel Fold. Just gonna peel this right off. And let's see. Oh, there's a click. Let's see. Interesting. So I think it seems to me when I'm holding the hinge over here with my fingers actually over here in the middle, that's when you hear the click. I'm not sure what that is about. Let me see on the other unit. This is the original unit. You can see it's all set up. So if I apply a little bit of pressure, or just put my finger here on the hinge. Oh, there we go. If I open the Pixel Fold from the bottom or the top, I see. I think I figured it out. Seems like whenever you put a little bit of pressure on the hinge, there's a clicking, snapping, cracking sound. And it is louder when your hand is right there. And naturally, your hand is going to be here as you hold the device. I see. So, let's see. This is the replacement. Try not to touch these power button and volume rocker. Okay, no sound. I heard a light click. Honestly, I'm not hearing as much this time. How many folds have I unfolded? All right, so maybe yes, maybe no. Let's try this again on the original. If I hold it just like this, and I'm not applying any kind of real pressure, I'm just really holding it. Yeah, there's some kind of click. Yeah. Yeah, no, it isn't here on the second unit. At least I heard it a few times, but it's not with every fold. Well, there you have it. I don't know what's going on, but there might be an issue with some devices that are shipping out. Let me know on Twitter if you get a unit that does have that clicking sound. For now, I'm going to be sending this original back to Google, and I'm going to continue testing this new unit that doesn't seem to have as much of a click when I open it for next week, and we'll see how it goes. All right, peace.